There she is in all her glory. The K-Truck. Day one. I do not like the camo. That's gonna change. That's the color she's gonna go. Avalanche Ford. It's gonna be sweet. All right, Utah, what do you think? A long day. We got the K-Truck painted. Went with a flat dark earth. I still got a little bit of touch up on that little bumper, but the little rock. Painted the bed. Little ding, I think I can pull that out. Painted down on the frame. This thing ain't got no rust on it either. Surprising. Very, very, very little rust. Sprayed the bed. Just waiting on the carb. I gotta replace them tires. Them tires are pretty rough. But all in all, looks pretty damn good. I'm happy with it.